My name is Jonas Strömberg. I'm Sustainability Director for Scania Buses and Coaches. At Scania we work very closely with the scientists of the IPCC, and we are quite worried because we see a business as usual scenario will actually only give us 12 years to start the decarbonisation of transport. Otherwise we are past the gateway for safe levels of climate change. So time is really of the essence. Particularly for heavy-duty biofuels will be of critical importance, I would say. As I mentioned, we need to start decarbonising already from 2020, and then we need to halve the CO2 emissions every decade. And here, biofuels is the quick way to do this. We can actually use them as neat fuels, or we can actually low blend them into our existing fleets. All Scania trucks and buses today can run on biodiesel or HVO, and we have vehicles also that can take ethanol or biogas. So since we are waiting for electrification to kick in a bigger scale in heavy duty, and that will still take some more decades, so to decarbonize, biofuels will be absolutely vital in the next 2 decades. Yes, but I mean, as I mentioned also before, I mean, it is critical, and we are a bit frustrated on this topic, I could say, because we have been able to do this for the last 20 years. These products are off-the-shelf products, same cost as diesel products. It can be done here and now. And also the biofuel industry are right there. We are only using basically half of the capacity in the European biofuel industry. And we have the vehicles, so this can be done here and now, and it should have been done already 10 years ago, so it really should start happening here and now. Again, our vehicles, as I mentioned, can operate on biodiesel, HVO, ethanol and gas, and the vehicle really doesn't care whether the fuel is advanced or not advanced. And I'm not really happy also with the categorization of fuels as first, second or third generation, or advanced or non-advanced. The key is really that the fuel has to be commercial and it has to be sustainable from the well-to-wheel footprint. So I actually believe that the debate on advanced and non-advanced and generations of fuel might have hurt the industry a bit. It has slowed things down. Yes, it actually goes back to what we talked about, the urgency to decarbonize and the great possibilities that we see for biofuels and for the bioeconomy sector as a whole in Europe. It could supply Europe with a lot of energy security and jobs. So we have teamed up with Xynteo, and together with them we have also joined a number of other partners from the whole chain of the industry, from the agricultural side, from the fuel side, the biofuel side, the producers, the operators, the purchasers of transport and energy, to form a coalition to really show that this is possible, what we can do, and also to demonstrate some really solid concrete projects. And we are open to take in more partners into this great collaboration. So anyone who is interested in joining us, please contact us or Xynteo.